Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So there was a problem on my bike where there was having a lot of fogging on the main headlight, and at the rear I'm putting down the pictures so you can judge. So today I have received some parts from Triumph, so let's take a look. So I have almost unboxed it, and here is the new headlight. So what I'm assuming is this is some part of the headlight, and rest of the part is over here where this is the cover and this is another cover of the headlight. So I have to open few nuts and bolts and fix it back. So what I've done is, and yes, I also have the indicators, but I'm not worried about that as of now because they are pretty much straight fit. So as you see, I have fixed my motorcycle on the paddock stand, and I'm going to take a level of the headlight over here so that when I fix the new headlight I will have the same focus. I don't want to change the focus. So let's turn it on, and this is where the line is, so I'll put a masking tape over here. So that's where I want my upper level to be, and this is I'm not going to touch. All right, so let's open the headlight now. So this is 17 mm and this is 14 mm, so you need a 14 and a 17 mm to open this, because if you rotate one, another is not going to open, so you need both of them. So this is out. So need to understand the routing of the wire so that when you put it back again, you know where to route the wire. So these are, I believe, 8 mm. So let's open these. The cover is out. Keep it safely. There is another cover which is here. This is another cover. So the zip tie need not to taken off because this is the whole bracket that we are going to take away. Again, these are 8 mm. So basically the whole headlight is off and there is some fogging inside which is not visible right now, but it happens. So let's change it. Basically the overall process is just reverse. So I was wondering what would happen if you turn on the ignition without turning on the headlight, without switching the headlight. So I have not connected the headlight yet. Let's see what happens. I thought it would show some error, but it is not. Let's try and start it. Nothing. So when I fit the headlight, this is the current position right now, and this is where I want it, right here. Now I can tighten the bolts. Specification of this headlight, how much voltage it is. So here it is. I'm not sure if you can see, but this is one piece headlight with low beam is 12 volt 16.8 watts, high beam is 12 volts 18.4 watts, and the positioning beam is 12 volt 0.8 watts. This is all metal, this is all metal, this is plastic. So replacing indicators is fairly simple. What you need to do is take out this bolt over here, which is 5 mm Allen bolt. Take out this one, and this whole thing pops out like this, and then you can replace the indicators from this and this connection. This is a kind of a bracket that holds everything up. And here is a tip, guys. When you are doing this kind of an electronic thing, it's good to always remove the battery connections, but if you are experienced, then it's not required, but you can at least turn off the indicators, ignition. And secondly, whenever you're doing this kind of a thing, do one indicator one by one. I mean, do one indicator at a time, because if you see, all these connections are very similar, so you can mess it up. And if you do, you put two positives together, then you are going to blow up your indicator or one fuse. So be careful. Out with the old, in with the new, and it is working. But let's see what happens when your indicator is not working. So let me remove the connection, and let's see what happens if you turn on the ignition. Will it tell you that there is a problem with the indicator? Yes, see, it will tell you that rear left indicator is not working, and it will blink continuously, like with more blinking, and it will tell you that there is a problem. Good work, Trident. So guys, old parts are off and new parts are in, and I have packed everything up. So this is a wrap, and I hope you learned something new and you enjoyed the video. So if you have any concerns, any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer your questions. And this is the old headlight that I'm going to send back to Triumph. All the old parts are going back to the Triumph dealership, and I hope there will be no fogging any further. Thank you for watching again. Take care and bye bye.